Is spray foam flammable? We're going to be answering that right now. Right now I have two chunks of foam here, two little squares. This one here is uncoated. This one here has the intumescent paint on it. We'll get into that a little bit later about what that is. And I got my torch. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take it, get that lit, and see if this one without the coating will burn. Oh yeah, it burns. It goes out pretty quick. It's still flaming a little bit there on the side. As soon as you take the heat away, it seems to go out. We'll do that again here. Let's see. I'll get that in. See that? It burns pretty good. I should be wearing a mask when I'm doing that. But as soon as I take the heat off of it, it burns up like crazy. It smokes like crazy. And as soon as we get the heat off of it, it seems like it goes out. This next one here I have right here, I painted it with the intumescent paint, the fire coating on it. And we'll hit that with a torch and see what happens. Let's do that right now too. Yeah, and you see that one there, that one goes out right away. So this one here, like it lights up, it gets real big. I'm gonna keep it on there for a minute, see what happens. It's still burning a little bit, but it's pretty much out. It burns a little bit and then extinguishes itself, and we can get into why that does that here in another minute. So section 2603 of the International Building Code talks specifically about thermal barriers and just ignition barriers. So spray foam, if it's going to be in an area that is accessible, so this would be like in the garage, in the walls of your garage, in your basements. If it needs to be covered with at least a 15-minute thermal barrier for the International Building Code section 2603. It also says, though, if it's inaccessible, so if it's like a tight crawl space, an attic that you're not using for storage, anything like that, it actually doesn't. It just needs doesn't need the full thermal barrier, it just needs the ignition barrier. So the spray foam, closed cell spray foams are Appendix X rated, which means that it has that ignition barrier built into it, at least the products that we use. I can't speak for all the products that every manufacturer makes, but the Johns Manville and the Carlisle foam that we're currently using have that Appendix X rating for ignition barrier. So what we do in a basement, we always recommend it, but we leave it up to the homeowner to decide or to do themselves because it actually is pretty expensive. Is we offer, when we're doing an area that needs it, we offer the thermal barrier, and we use a product called an intumescent paint. The one that we're using, I think, is called No Burn, and what it is a paint that we paint over the foam, and as you saw in the video, it'll keep that foam from igniting, and it's an engineered system, so it's designed to work in correlation with that foam. The surface will char and the rest of the foam will not burn. That char builds a barrier. So yeah, now you know if spray foam is flammable. Hopefully this helps you make up your decision as you're building your project. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We would love to help you out.